Oh, the purpose was just to meet the Dalai Lama and to sense his presence, and it was a very moving visit. I think he's a holy man. I think he's a man with a message of peace for the whole world, and he has a very strong presence. And I think I wish him that he will live until 113 years, as he says.
And what was the main message of His Holiness during this visit?
Well, he didn't talk much. I think the main message was his personal warmth and the serenity that he radiates. And I think a lot of people should come visit him. It would be good for themselves.
Okay, so you have come here for the study tour, right?
Yes.
So what is the main activities during this 3 days trip?
Oh, we're now going to meet representatives of the CTA. We will meet the acting president and several ministers and other high officials of the CTA to understand what they're doing, to understand the problems of Tibetans in exile, and to better understand Tibetan culture.
To meet the Dalai Lama and to really not only feel his presence, but being really touched and knowing all the history that he has been through. It's really moving to see him sitting there and being this present. And so I wish him all the best, and wishing all the best to all the people believing in him, so he will live a long and prosper life. So my main message to His Holiness was especially thanking him for his efforts for making peace. It's a big effort that he has taken with a lot of gratitude, and so I thanked him for this one especially.
Well, my heart is just very wide open, and I think all the compassion and love in this whole world is what I'm feeling now. So, and I'm very thankful for that. We're very much excited to get to know more of the Tibetan culture and also the government and the way that everything is organized here. This was obviously already one of our highlights, and this will, I think, guide us through the next days. So we are very thankful for the opportunity to be here.